So in discussion assignments, what you want to do is reply to the post. So here I asked you to tell me a little bit about yourself in 8 to 10 sentences. So you're going to go to this discussion assignment and scroll down to where it says reply. Then you're going to click on reply right here. Then it opens up the box for you to type. So here you can start talking about yourself. I am from Japan. I came to the US 2 years ago for school. So in this assignment, I said to type for 8 to 10 sentences, so you'll keep typing here. And then when you're done, you will click post reply right here. And that's all there is to it. All right, happy discussing.